Hello everyone, I am Sugadev. Welcome to Dev's Kitchen. Today it's not a cooking video and all. At the time when we were doing terrace garden cooking, I mean tandoori chicken cooking and all, we showed our fish pond and many people were asking about this. So I thought I will make a video out of this. There will be some people who will have some kind of wish to set up a small fish pond in their terrace garden or in their terrace in the outside environment and all. So for such people this video will be very helpful. Even I was thinking a lot and I was struggling a lot to set up this kind of thing, because what fish to put and what kind of settings to make so that the fishes will be safe and everything. So all these things has to be taken into consideration. So please do watch this video so that you will be able to do it. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and enable the notifications. And one more thing here I want to add, some people wanted me to post more videos other than cooking. So please do share your comments on this part. If you want me to share more videos other than cooking, I'm ready to do. So let's quickly get into the video. Thank you. This is my 100 liters fish pond. So let me show you what are the fishes I have. I have put around 5 fishes. 3 are koi fishes and 2 are small gold fishes. See, whatever you could see, whichever they are moving, those are all koi fishes. You can see, and 2 gold fishes are there. I'll show you. See, they are down the pot. 2 gold fishes are there. And plants, I have kept lotus, bonsai lotus and lucky bamboo. So this is also one side lotus is there, and here also lotus is there, and here lucky bamboo is there. And down I have put just normal pebbles. And for the inner part I have painted it white. Some people may ask why it is just koi fish and goldfish, because for outside environment the fish should sustain. So for that the best suggestion would be to keep the koi fishes, because koi fishes are also called as pond fishes only. So the best one is koi fishes, and if you are liking goldfish, maybe you can add goldfish also. Goldfish are little bit sensitive than koi fish, so the best option is koi fish. And the other fishes I would not prefer. And also when the temperature is too low, say for example if the environment temperature goes below 10 degrees Celsius, I would suggest you take the fishes inside your house and keep it till the temperature comes back to normal, or otherwise you have to put a heater here in the pond, else the fishes will get sick and they will start dying. So that is one thing. And if you could see, I have also added air stone. Air stone is very much required. I have put the food now, so the fishes are in the top, and see how amazing it looks. Yeah, so the air stone is very much required so that it supplies air in the water and oxygen gets generated. If you are not putting this air stone motor, then the fishes will be dying, so it is a must one. The main issue is to how are we going to bring the electricity in terrace, because for this air pump we need electricity, right? So for that you don't need to bring the motor pump, I mean the adapter, completely outside, because we can't keep the wire and adapter and all in the outside environment in rain and in sunlight and all. So what I would suggest is, like what I have done is, I have kept the pump inside and just brought the tube alone outside. So I will show you. See, such a long tube, and I have kept my adapter, pump, everything inside. I'll show you. See, this is my room. So I have kept the adapter and all inside. See here, the plug point, the connection, everything is inside. Just the air tube alone is coming outside. See. That's all guys. if you have a terrace garden or if you want to set up a pond in your terrace, you can follow this. Please do try and let me know. Thank you so much.